Picture this, a world transformed by the sheer power of imagination. A place where every idea is encouraged and enhanced. This is yes and. More than an agreement, it's an invitation to unlimited opportunities. Yes and is the key to a reality where creativity and teamwork thrive. This concept sets off a domino effect of innovation triggered by accepting and enhancing others' ideas. Yes and replaces the limiting yes but. By saying yes and we dream bigger, take risks, and a difference. This approach can revolutionize workplaces and our lives. It facilitates collaboration, inspires creativity, and encourages openness. It's a confidence booster, a way to share ideas without fear. It's the fuel for thinking beyond limitations, for bringing out our best. By embracing yes and, we can achieve the unimaginable. Together, we can unleash the true power of imagination. Yes and, the game changer we all need.